Foshan, Waylynn Qinli Machinery Company Limited was founded on December 11, 2015. Is a professional production of hydraulic lifting equipment manufacturers. The company is located in Foshan, China, with convenient transportation. Our company covers an area of 7,770 square meters. It is a comprehensive manufacturing and trading company. Our company has a history of 4 years in the field of hydraulic elevator, specializing in the production of various hydraulic elevator terminal ramp food elevator. We have an excellent cooperation team, dedicated to product design and development, quality control and inspection, and the operation of the company. We are famous for excellent quality, favorable price, first-class technology, safe packing, and timely delivery. Therefore, we can fully meet your needs with a large customer base. Our products are sold to America, Korea, Philippines, South Africa, and Europe. In addition to our own products, we also provide OEM services and accept customized orders. We develop designs for clients in Mauritius and Thailand. Our products sell well in overseas markets. Sincerely welcome friends at home and abroad to visit our company. Guidance and cooperation. The company, in line with the principle of mutual benefit, to improve the service, quality products, good reputation, has won the majority of customers' praise. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us to create brilliant future. We look forward to receiving your inquiry as soon as possible.